In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach or download files in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a file to a message you're composing and how to save a file you've received, all without any guesswork. Let's start with attaching a file. Open Yahoo Mail and begin a new message using the Compose button. In the message window, look for the Attach option, usually shown as a paperclip icon near the bottom toolbar. Click it and your device will open a file chooser so you can browse to the item you want to send. Select the file and it will start uploading to your message. You'll see the file name appear beneath the subject line as it attaches. If you change your mind, you can remove it by clicking the little X next to the file name. You can repeat the same process to add more than one file. Larger files may take longer to upload, so give it a moment and avoid closing the window while it's attaching. As a tip, most email services work best with files up to around a few dozen megabytes. If your file is very large, consider compressing it or sharing a link from cloud storage instead. Once the file is attached, you're ready to write your message and continue as you normally would. Now let's cover downloading a file you've received. Open the email that contains the attachment. You'll see the attached file displayed either beneath the subject line or at the bottom of the message. Look for the download button, typically a downward arrow icon or a labeled download option. Click download to save it to your device. If there are multiple attachments, you can download them one by one, and in some cases you'll see a download all option to grab them at once. Depending on your browser or device, the file may save automatically to your default downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose a location. If you don't see the file after downloading, check your downloads folder, your desktop, or your browser's download tray. For images and PDFs, you may also see a preview option. This is helpful if you want to take a quick look before saving. If your browser blocks downloads or shows a warning, allow the download from Yahoo Mail and try again. And as a best practice, only download files from senders you trust and scan anything unfamiliar with antivirus software. That's it. You now know how to attach files to an outgoing Yahoo Mail message and how to download attachments from messages you receive.